Popular services on the internet. In today's video, we are going to learn about the popular services on internet, that is www, e-commerce and chatting. So, without wasting our time, let us start. Mummy, today teacher taught us about popular services of the internet, that is World Wide Web, e-commerce and chatting. But I didn't understand any of these. Can you explain me? Why not? I will be explaining you all of this in a minute. Just sit. Thank you, Mummy. You are great. I am sitting in the sofa. Very good. Popular services on the internet. The basic purpose of the internet is to make our lives better. There are many facilities available on the internet. Now, we will be learning the first popular service on the internet, that is www. The full form of www is World Wide Web. The introduction to www or World Wide Web is: the World Wide Web is a large computer network whereby using a browser such as Netscape or Internet Explorer, you can surf and get information. It consists of all the public websites connected to the internet worldwide, including the client devices such as computers and cell phones that access web contents. The websites are defined by short, unique, global identifiers called URLs. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. www contains millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages. Each page contains text, graphic, video, audio, and link to other web pages via hyperlink. Now, did you understand what the www or World Wide Web is? Yes, mummy. Good. Then shall I ask you questions? Yes, mummy. Sure. Okay, that's good. Nice to see that. Then tell me, what is the full form of URLs? Mummy, that's very easy. The full form of URLs is Uniform Resource Locator. Congratulations, you gave the correct answer. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Now, I will be telling you some facts about www, that is World Wide Web. Fact number 1. The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Second fact, did you know the world's first website is still online? Many websites from the early days of the web have gone dark, but the first one is still live. Berners-Lee brought the site online from the lab in the Swiss Alps in 1991. Even though it looks primitive, the site has actually been updated from its original state several times. Fact number 3. Different names considered before the World Wide Web. Notably, Berners-Lee considered various monikers before the World Wide Web. This, as Irish Examiner notes, included a range of options, including names like Mine of Information, the Information of Mine, and the Information Mesh. Meanwhile, the term surfing the web, which is commonly used for using the internet, was popularized by librarian Jane Elmer Polly in an article Surfing the Internet. Our next topic is e-commerce, that stands for electronic commerce, or stand for electronic commerce, that is commercial activities over the internet. Internet offers us convenient ways to work from our home or office for almost everything like air, movies, electronics, books, gifts, etc. We can buy or sell a new or second-hand goods also. Now, I will tell you one fact. Though Amazon can be said to be one of the first online marketplaces to have come into existence, it was not the first business to start selling online. Pizza Hut started offering to deliver pizzas to their customers on online order basis as early as in 1994. People have been ordering pizza online before they started ordering books on Amazon. Our last and third topic is chatting. A chat is an online conversation over the internet in which we can instantly send text based messages back and forth to one another. There are various types of chats available on the internet. One can chat through the instant messenger, a chat room, a chat website, etc. However, most of them require the user register first. Apart from text chat, we can also interact with other users through voice and video chat. Chat rooms are placed on the internet where you can converse with different types of people like your faraway friends, relatives, celebrities, and with corporations about their various products, etc. Some of the popular chat softwares are Google Talk, Windows Live Messenger, and Skype. To use this software, download them through internet and install. To chat using such software, you should have a user account. Did you know? 41% of consumers prefer live chat support versus 32% who prefer phone support, 23 who prefer email support, and 3 who prefer getting support via social media. Live chat has the second highest customer satisfaction ratings at 85%, just behind phone support at 91%. Now I will tell you some more facts about www, that is World Wide Web, and e-commerce and chatting. Did you know? An internet service provider ISP is the company that gives you across the internet for a fee. The browser will not be able to display pages unless the computer is connected to an ISP. Example: BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, etc. Second fact: visit the site www.irctc.co.in to reserve and print railway tickets. The founders of Google are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Modem is a device that connects to your computer with the telephone line. It changes the computer signal so that they can travel through telephone lines and vice versa. www.bing.com is the latest search engine from Microsoft. Nikas Zenstrom and his Danish partner Janus Fries are the founders of Skype. Jerry Yang and David Filo are the founders of www.yahoo.com. Yahoo is an American computer service company founded on March 2, 1995. Thank you. Thank you, Mummy. Now my concept is clear. You can ask me questions. That's good. Then tell me. Dash is a online conversation over the internet. Mummy, that's simple. The answer is chat.